Open Hikvision IVMS-4200 download page. There are 3 types of software. Select IVMS-4200 and scroll down to the software download location. Click on the IVMS-4200 latest software link. Accept the material license agreement. The IVMS software download will be started. Wait for the download completion. Open the downloaded file from your computer. You will get an IVMS-4200 installation wizard. Then follow the steps. After completion of software installation, launch the application. You can see an auto upgradation window. You can enable or disable the feature. I selected disable. In the welcome page, we need to create a super user account for the IVMS-4200 application. The second screen shows password protection security questions. Just answer the questions, and click on the login button. The IVMS-4200 main dashboard opened. You can see the various menus, video application, access control, and general application.